hi, it's me. It's been a while, right? I'm gonna try to vlog again. This is like my 6th attempt at rebooting my channel. Every time I do my makeup, I get stuck in between like, do I want to wear that much makeup or do I want to wear less? Like what I'm used to or less or more of what I'm used to. And it's an everyday fucking battle. So I'm gonna sound like this for a little while, unfortunately, even during the shoot. But I'm in Seattle and AMD and Robeytech are building me a PC. We're gonna stream it. I'm gonna be there, help build it. Okay, you ready to do this? The outfit of the day. All black as usual. Oh, we look so nice. Oh wow, same stance? Wow, nice.
A lot of people idolize you. They want to be you. And so here's the thing: if they want to get the same machine as you, they can.
Yeah.
Here it is, right here. This is the machine we're going to be building for you. Great.
What? This is not necessary for anything.
Hey, so we finished the PC. How was it like building a PC with me? Did you have fun? Was it great? Was it awesome? Was it life-changing? Come on.
I can't feel my soul.
But we did it.
Yeah, we did.
We did.
You did such a good job.
Aw, thank
You did such a good job, and it came out so clean.
Thank you.
Good job, Gina.
Thank you.
This is your
Yay.
PC.
That's mine now.
Yep.
Oh.
Forehead.
Well, okay. Well, I should call it the forehead. Actually, that's a great name. We should do that. Okay, it's finally here. I'm not gonna lie. I forgot to record myself opening it because I was too excited. So I already have it set up. I decided to make this my second setup because I have one in my bedroom right now, but then I want to be able to utilize the rest of my house. So this is out in the office right now near my living room. And I've paired it with my Blue Eyes White Dragon keyboard and mouse pad. And then I have my Logitech mouse and my KDA headset. But look at her. It's here. Like, I built this by myself with no help from Roby whatsoever. Me, I did this, not Roby, just me. Okay, 3-week update. It's currently like 1 a.m. and I haven't slept. But I've downloaded all the games. I've played on it. This has become like my main PC now. I have like my stream PC in my room, but this one's like my main PC where I play with my friends and it's holding up great. But now I have a problem because now I want to move this one into my bedroom and use it as my main stream PC because I can't stand my old one now because it's too loud. This one is still dead silent. Everything matches perfectly. Look at my background and how pretty this looks on the inside. Perfect. So everything's running smooth and I couldn't be happier. Shout out to AMD for helping me out with this. You guys are amazing. They never let me down. Honestly, like probably one of my most favorite people that I ever worked with because I mean I've worked with you guys for years and every time you guys always come through and I love you. I love you forever. So if you guys are looking into like streaming or even just want like a good PC, definitely go with AMD because I have like 2 AMD PCs at my house right now and both of them are really great and they've never let me down. So go with AMD, okay? Okay, all right, I love you. Thank you, AMD. I love you, and I guess I love you too, Roby, or whatever. I'm just kidding, I love him too. Make sure you guys check all the links below for all the info on my PC. All the specs are down there, and keep up with my channel. I'm gonna be trying to vlog more, somehow. I don't know what to vlog anymore. More PCs?